first impression sa bahay na to is very elegant talaga. Once you come in, boom, totoo talaga yung nakita ko from outside pa lang. And then, kung ito yung hinahanap yung bahay, come with me as I tour you around inside this house. Tara! Hi everyone, this is Zaza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And today, I have here behind me, as you can see, this is a very brand new contemporary home for sale located at a very secured subdivision here in Angeles City, where everything you need is within your reach. We are very close to Clark International Airport, sa schools, even sa malls, and kahit yung mga amusement parks. It has a mix of steel sa gate, and then glass. On that side, naka-stucco finish. Wooden panels yung ceiling natin. And then, as we enter to your carport, I'll show you yung gate. May roller siya, so it's very easy to open or kahit isarado. Plus, look at your gate. Folded siya. So, ang advantage ng ganyang gate is kapag binubuksan nyo or may papasok, di ba, na car, hindi masyadong nakaharang sa road natin. So, it's very nice. So, sa carport nyo, you have a 2-vehicle carport na. Also, high ceiling. You have pin lights all over the area. And then, iba yung dating niyan kapag gabi. Hindi na yung the usual na main light lang and then isa lang, di ba? And then, lahat ng ceiling, buong ceiling is naka PVC panels. On this side naman is your service area. You have here na mini kitchen for the staff or kung gusto niyo pang gawin siyang dirty kitchen. And then, that area, merong access to your swimming pool. And then, you have doors. Pasukin ko na yan sa galing sa loob. You have here pa mini cabinet for your car accessories. Excuse me lang for the kalat kasi nga, as I've said kanina, it's very brand new siya pero sa may part ng bahay na may mini construction pa. And then on this side, this will be your garden. And then as of the owner, lalagyan to ng landscape once na purchase na yung bahay para fresh yung mga plants. And then on this side naman is still your access to your swimming pool. And lalakarin ko ng konti. Ayan. Malaki pa yung space ng side na to. So itong buong area na to, yung ila-landscape ni owner kapag nabili na yung bahay. Welcome to your dream home. Pagpasok nyo pala ng main door nyo, you have a solid wood and then naka-slotted wood panel din yung door nyo. And pagpasok nyo agad, it's very convenient kasi hagdan nyo na going to second floor. Pero may na tayo dyan, okay. And then, 3 steps going down your powder room naman. Very accessible and convenient, no? Kung naiihi na kayo pagdating nyo ng bahay. And then, on this side, meron kayong wood divider. That adds accent going to your living room and then your dining area. So, hindi siya agad kita. You have open layout and this will be your living area. Once we are inside, makikita nyo all over the place is elegant. From your living area, you have a complete set of sofa. Ang elegant din itong tignan. Meron akong na-feature na house or condo ata with this kind of sofa na din. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Plus, it's very modern and then yan yung uso ngayon. And then you have this glass center table na dito. Ang ganda pa rin. And this, dalawang stool naman. Now, sa ceiling, meron na kayong chandelier. And your living room pala, you have your own air-conditioned unit na rin. And then, on this side naman, Mr. K, sa likod ng camera natin, you have a very slick wall na dito and provision for your own television kung gusto nyo maglagay dito sa living area nyo. Meron na siyang console table, may mga drawers na rin for extra gadgets, no? Na meron tayo. This is a 4-bedroom house and then yung first bedroom niya, which is very convenient kasi nandito na agad sa baba. And then I like the design ng door. Lahat ng bedroom door, ganito yung design ng door nila. Para siyang 3D. Mostly nakikita ko yung ganito sa coffee shop. Ang ganda niya talaga in person. Let's enter the first bedroom dito sa ground floor. And then wait lang. Yung different din yung floors going to the bedrooms. You have a parang marble style sa common area. And then pagpasok natin ng bedroom, naka-light wooden style. Pero it's still tiles na. As we enter, sa bedroom nyo, this is semi-furnished. You have your own air-conditioned unit na. Sa headboard, pareha siya nung nandun sa living area natin. So, ang linis ng pagkaka-finish. PVC din siya, pero ang designs parang wave. So, it's very slick. Yan. And then, close ko lang ulit para makita nyo your own toilet and bath, naka-barn door siya. Diba? Kahit yung toilet and bath, ganyan din yung so, sa bathroom nyo, you have a full shower and bath. Meron na din siyang shower partition. You have your water closet and then your sink with cabinetries na rin. And then, ang maganda sa... Wait lang, pasukin ko. Maganda sa ganitong cabinet na to kasi na-maximize nila yung cabinet. At the same time, mirror siya. So, kayo na lang mag-add ng mirror dito. Diba? Ang ganda. That's your bedroom number 1. Look at the wall, puro lang white. So, ang dali lang mag-add ng mga gamit. Let's move to your dining area. As you can see, it's very elegant na. So, sa dining area natin, you still have your own air-conditioned unit. Kahit yung living room nyo, meron na ding air-conditioned unit. You get this 6-seater, elegant dining table. And look at the chandelier here. Very elegant din. And then kung napansin nyo, kahit walang naka-turn on na ilaw, maliwanag yung buong ground floor kasi nga, thank you sa mga windows natin. Then as you can see, mahangin din. Dito na ba tayo? Pakita na natin to, na? Kasi nabubuksan na rin naman. So, from your dining area is your own swimming pool. Pwede niya ma-access dito sa sliding door na to. Ayan. Just look at this. So, imagine nyo nandito na kayo, no? You purchase this house na, you have a bar top here, meron pang kitchen sinks na pwede kayo mag-prepare ng mga food for your family or visitor na rin. So, it's very convenient, no? Hindi na kayo papasok sa main kitchen nyo. Look at your pool. Imagine may water siya. That's 4 to 5 feet or 6 na. And then the length niya, around 10. So, ganun siya kahaba. Ganun kalaki yung pool ng bahay na to. This sliding door naman has access to your formal kitchen naman. This is your third kitchen na actually. Tara. Now, this is your formal kitchen. And yes, nasabi ko na kanina, this is your third kitchen. So, ang maganda naman sa tatlong kitchen kasi, di ba, your own sa swimming pool and then meron din yung staff. Pero that's extension of your auxiliary kitchen. Dito naman, kapag gusto niyo mag-prepare ng mga salad or breakfast for your family, no, sa kitchen pala, you have this na induction cooker over here. Meron na siyang sariling range hood. On this side, andito yung large sink na. Kapag large sink, ang ganda kasi kahit yung mga big pots, madali na natin hugasan. Meron kayong shelves na on this part, cabinets din. And then, a big area for your preparation. Ito naman, mga cabinets din for you. May included ng pull-out ang plates and glass na lang ang kulang. So, drawers, personal, spoon and knives. This will for your extra pots and pans. Hindi pa tayo natatapos dyan kasi meron pa sa side na to. And kahit pala dito, meron din. So, ang daming space for your extra na gamit. One thing na favorite ko sa bahay na to kasi yung mga cabinet nila, ang linis ng pagka-finish. Yan. So, mga walang handles, so you have to push na in order to open your cabinet, diba? Included na rin this. This is your microwave oven. And then this is your brand new oven din. Ayan. Plus, you get this 2-door brand new fridge na rin. Okay. Ang ganda ko. Diba? Ayan. So, lahat naman ng cabinets are soft close. This door naman na sinabi ko from the carport kanina is your access papunta sa auxiliary kitchen. Diba? Kahit yung access na door nyo going to your staff kitchen or auxiliary kitchen, kagaya na nasa bedroom na. What do you think? Ang ganda ba? Comment nyo na lang kung nagandahan din kayo. And then I think we're done with the ground floor. Let's move to second floor. But before that, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel namin, and then if you wanna see more house tour, follow lang kayo sa page namin. And we also have a Facebook account, which is Next Level Properties. And please follow us also on Instagram, which is Next Level Properties then. Let's go up. Hi everyone, this is Aza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And today, we have here the most luxurious condo project in Angeles City, Pampanga. Introducing the Rockwell Nepo. To know more about this Rockwell Nepo here in Angeles City, you can call my number flashing on your screen. If you notice yung hagdan natin, meron siyang glass dyan and then handrail. Dahil nga, sobrang bago ng bahay na to. So yung ibang parts is under construction. Look at that. So meron tong glass. Wide pa rin yung stairs nyo. Naka-wood yung mga stairs. This is your landing area. Then, ang ganda ng halos floor to ceiling na sheer curtainan. Gives natural light pa rin kahit yung hagdan. And then, naha-highlight yung color, wood color ng hagdan. Ang ganda ng ganyan. You have a drop lights na or chandelier on that side. Now, this is our landing area. Pero unahin ko na yung family room natin. So, sa ceiling, naka-PVC din, pero light color ng wood. May cove light yan. And then, pin lights. Pwede naman kayo mag-additional air condition unit sa family room. And then, this side, may provision in preparation if you wanna put your own television. Kasi may console na siya. Diba? It's very spacious. You have your blackout curtain, sheer curtains. Ay, pwede ka maglagay ng malaking sofa. We're down to 3 bedroom. If medyo madilim sa camera natin, kasi yung buong bahay wala pang kuryente kasi nga sobrang bago niyan. So, this is your, meron pa kayong mini kitchen dito sa second floor. Diba, pwede maglagay pa rin ng mini fridge para maging convenient dito sa mga nasa second floor. Meron pang range hood, electric induction cooker. Thank you. Yung mga cabinets and drawers sa mga place. And then, itong door na to is extra toilet and bath. Pero lahat ng bedroom ay ensuite toilet and bath naman. Now, this is your, let's move to your bedroom number 2 na. Favorite ko talaga yung door na to kasi ang gaan niya sa eyes. This is your bedroom number 2. Actually, kulang na lang talaga yung mga bed and personal things nyo. On this side, meron na kayong full-size mirror. Ito na rin yung cabinet nyo. or closet. Ang laki niya. And then this side, same thing ng nasa living room and bedroom number 1. Have windows. Ang ganda ng gantong windows mo kasi it lessen yung init na galing sa labas. Pero yung bedroom number 2, you have na your own air condition unit na rin. Plus, wala na siyang main light because you have natural light coming from outside pero meron siyang pin light. Huli ko na yung door na yan. This is your own toilet and bath naman sa bedroom number 2. Same thing. Same orientation ng nasa baba. You have shower, may shower partition, water closet, and then you have your sink, may cabinetry, and then yung 4 mirror na ginawang cabinet din as well. Now, this door naman is your own balcony dito sa bedroom number 2. Look at your balcony. Pwede pa maglagay ng outdoor chairs and tables. Plus, you have this view ng pool. Just look at that. And this tempered glass here, ang kapal, may steel. Ang dinas din, tignan. Yan, pasok tayo. Ay, balik tayo para ma-check naman natin yung bedroom number 3. Ang spacious ng mga rooms dito. Ito na yung headboard nyo. May sarili din siyang air condition unit. Naka-pin lights din yung room. Ito din. Ditong area naman yung cabinet niya and yung full mirror. This is your toilet and bath. Ayan. Pati toilet and bath, ang ganda ng mga color combination na nilagay nila. Again, shower, may shower partition, water closet, sink, cabinetry. Parang mirror lang to nung bedroom number 2 eh. Ito din yung door access to the same balcony. What do you think? Comment kayo. Let me know. Nakikita nyo ba gaano kahaba pa yung nilalakad ko sa hallway? We are down to bedroom number 4, which is your master bedroom na. Hindi ko naman first time makakita nito, pero sa bahay, yes. Mostly hotels ko nakikita yung gantong room. So, in. Ang excited ko, no? This is your huge master bedroom. And then, yes, sa master bedroom nyo, you get this king size bed and mattress. Iba naman yung design ng headboard niya. Just look at that. Naka-slatted wood to. And then, talaga nilagyan pa nila ng accent na ganito. Just very modern, tropical, Asian. Yung gano'n na yung naging dating niya sa akin. And then your cloth, Roman blinds. Iba na din yung shade ng color niya. Tapos look at your headboard. Meron kayo. So, ito yung mostly reading lights, no? Kung ayaw niya ng main lights. Kasi meron siyang access dyan. Meron din siyang dalawang bedside table. And then may sarili din siyang aircon unit. Naka-pin lights na rin sa ceiling. And then, drop lights na ba to? Or cove light pa rin? Kung sino nakakaalam ng gantong design, maki-comment na lang po. And then yung nai-excite talaga akong ipakita. Diba sabi ko kanina, lahat ng bedroom may ensuite toilet and bath. Ito yung ensuite toilet and bath niya kung hindi nyo na notice. Ayan, this very slick design ng door. Di naman ako galit. Kaya gusto ko siya. And wait lang, the revelation. Madali naman siyang buksan. Look at your own toilet and bath. And yes, na-reveal na po, meron tayong sariling bathtub on that side. Pero pasok na ako na. This is what I'm telling you. Kanina pa na yung ibang area ay under construction pa. On the side na, do you see me? Yes. This is your own toilet and bath. Ang ganda kasi per area ng toilet and bath ng master is naka-separate. So this is where you put yung mga for your bubble bath. May sarili siyang window Kung gusto niyo ng natural light. On this side, meron ng his sink. Ito, may partition pa for this area. Ayan po yung glass niya. It's your shower, ito yung water closet, and then, what's missing? This is your walk-in closet na. Just look at that. Gustong-gusto ko yung area na to for salamin. And then, slide this lang. Ma-access nyo na yung mga clothes nyo na nakahang. So, lahat ng area dito, ganyan. Plus, ganun din, hindi nyo na kailangan ng mirror kasi yung glass lang, yung sliding door lang, naka-mirror na. And then, pwede pa kayo mag-add ng isang air condition unit, diba? Ganun yung mga walk-in closet. Nilalagyan pa nila ng sariling aircon. Dito, pwede pa maglagay ng sariling mini vanity area, diba? I love that area talaga. Diba? Sariling aircon pa para you can close yung mga collections ng bags. Pwede talaga dun. And that's it. Ayaw ko na umalis sa CR, no? Kasi I love it. Let's do a quick recap lang sa area na hindi ko pa napapakita sa inyo. Your master bedroom has its own balcony din. Just like the other 2 bedroom kanina. Access via this sliding door naman. So, your bedroom has this wooden style na tiles. Paglabas ng balcony, yung gray, pero rough tiles naman siya. Di naman siya slippery. On this side, wood slatted to. Hindi siya, it's PVC pala. So, ayan, nakikita nyo na sa ceiling, wood panels. Diba? Ito yung na-mention ko kaninang stucco finish. Yan. Plus, meron pa dito, so by the way, L-type yung, balcony. Okay? Let's do a quick recap. This is a very brand new modern home for sale here in Angeles, located at a very secured subdivision dito sa Pampanga. For the house, this house sits at 246 for the lot area. And for the floor area, you get 342.5. That's 4 bedroom. That's 7.5 toilet and bath, including na yung sa maid's room. You have 1 maid's room. May sarili din siyang toilet and bath. That's 2 carport. You have your own swimming pool na sobrang laki. Plus, semi-furnished. That's it. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Aza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video. To ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson.